Model, 2016 Ford Transit Custom 310 L2 Diesel Front-Wheel Drive 2.2 TDCi 125ps Low Roof Limited Van Body, White, Panel Van Mileage, 98,236 MOT, 12 February 2024 Engine, 2,198 cc 2.2 125ps TDCI-B Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive Mechanical Summary, starts perfect. Underpowered, turbo needs replacing. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary, bodywork is average. Interior is average. Rear load area is average. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, cruise control, aircon, parking sensors EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap retail, £11,450. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.